Good morning, students. Myself from Shakti Vidyaniketan Maharaj. During the last lecture of EVS in history, we completed our chapter. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise. Now, on page number 4, the first question of your exercise is fill in the blanks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, now first fill in the blank. The science that tries to understand past events is called dash. What is the answer? The answer is history. Now we already write the definition of history. In that the full sentence is there. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. Okay. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. Okay, you underline below history word. Then second, fill in the blanks. History is not written solely on the basis of dash. What is the answer? The answer is imagination. Okay, so how we write the full sentence? History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. Okay, underline the word imagination. Now second question, answer each question in one sentence. So in the second question you have to write the answer of the question in only one sentence. Now first question, what is the scientific method? At the time of writing the notes, we already write the definition of scientific method. First we write the question. What is? First we write the question. Question number 2. Okay. What is the question? Answer of each question. In one sentence. Okay, so there are two questions. You have to write the answer of these questions in only one sentence. Okay, now first we write the first question. What is the scientific method? In this question you have to write the definition of scientific method. What is the scientific method? Okay. Below that you write answer. Now what is the definition of scientific method? The method of using a number of different tastes. Different tastes to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. Okay, means in history, we study the history with the help of scientific method. So in that, we take the collection of the events, various events, and we try to determine whether that evidence is true or not. Okay, so it is called as scientific method. Now, second question. Of which action is India's independence the result? What is the meaning of this question? Now, of which action is India's independence is the result? Okay. So, how we got the independence at 15th August 1947? So, I already told you that our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, they fought for our country against the British government, and due to the efforts which is taken by them, we got independence. Okay. So, how we can write this answer? Now write down the answer. The Indian peoples fought against the British government. This action is India's independence the result. Okay, so due to the fighting of freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, then Lala Lajpat Rai, we got the independence against British government. Okay, then third question. So it is completed. Now we are going to write the third question. What is the third question? What does the study of history make possible? What does the study of history make possible? Now, during the discussion of this point, we know that when all the people in the society they work in cooperation or they work together, then and then only possible there is the development of the society. So, during the study of history, we will consider the efforts which is taken by all the people in the society, as well as we study the events which were taken in the past as well as in present and future. Okay. Then we write the question. See, what does the study of history make possible? So how we can write the answer? So answer is, the study of history make it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for our society. Okay. So by studying the way of thinking of the past societies, we are going to study the history by only thinking the past society, means our past ancestors or past peoples, what they think, then what is their action in the past and their consequences is the result from which we are study the history. Okay. So we write like this. The study of history makes possible by studying the way of thinking of past societies. Their actions and the consequences. Okay. So this is the question, that what does the study of history make possible? So how it is possible? It is only possible by studying the efforts which is taken by the past societies, their action and the consequences. Okay. So this is the question number 2. Then we write the question number 3. Answer the questions in brief. Today we write the first question of this third. Why is the history considered to be a scientific discipline? Okay, so you write first question. Why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? So what is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is given on page number choose. Okay, so you write like this. The history is considered to be a scientific discipline because it uses the scientific method at every stage collecting evidences and examining them and putting them together. Okay, why history is considered to be a scientific discipline? Because during the study of history, we consider the scientific method at every stage. Means there is a scientific proof for that event. Then we collect all the evidences for that particular stage and examine the evidence and then putting them together. Okay, so the remaining questions we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.